Hey y'all, welcome back to What's Z? Today, I'm diving into a super interesting topic, immunotherapy. Now, what exactly is immunotherapy? Let's break it down in simple terms, so stick around. Immunotherapy is a type of treatment that uses your body's own immune system to fight diseases. Sounds pretty sci-fi, right? Well, it's actually been a game changer in treating certain types of cancer, autoimmune diseases, and infections. So, how does it work? Think of your immune system as an army of soldiers. Normally, this army is great at defending your body against invaders like bacteria and viruses, but sometimes it needs a little boost. That's where immunotherapy comes in. There are different types of immunotherapy. One common type is called checkpoint inhibitors. These drugs basically release the brakes on your immune cells, allowing them to attack cancer cells more effectively. Another type is called CAR T-cell therapy. This is where doctors take some of your T cells, reprogram them in a lab to better recognize cancer cells, and then put them back in your body. It's like giving your soldiers new high-tech gear. Then there's monoclonal antibodies. These are lab-made molecules that can bind to specific targets on cancer cells, marking them for destruction by your immune system. Think of them as your immune system's snipers, taking out the enemy with precision. Now, it's important to know that immunotherapy doesn't work for everyone. Some people have great results, while others might not respond as well. And like any treatment, it can have side effects like fatigue, fever, or even more serious reactions in some cases. So it's always a discussion worth having with your healthcare provider. But here's the exciting part. Research is ongoing, and scientists are discovering new ways to make immunotherapy more effective and accessible. It's a rapidly evolving field with a lot of promise. So there you have it, a quick dive into the world of immunotherapy. Are there any specific questions or terminologies you'd like to learn more about? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from y'all. Thanks for watching What's Z. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. See y'all next time.